Hello friends, welcome to my channel Amazing Life. Here I am again with a new video on what's top richest leaders of all the time. But before watching the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel and please hit the bell icon to get notification of more upcoming videos like this. Before starting, one important note. Wealth of all the leaders has been adjusted with inflation at current year price to give comparison at equal level. Let's begin. At number 20, Napoleon Bonaparte. Net worth $400 million, means 2900 crore Indian rupees. Born into a relatively very poor family in Corsica, Napoleon rose to become the self-styled Emperor of France, following the French Revolution and conquered vast swaths of Europe during the early 19th century. During this period, his wealth rose enormously. Next, George Washington. Total weight $553 million, means 3900 crore Indian rupees. The second wealthiest US president, George Washington owned hundreds of slaves who toiled away on his 8,000-acre Mount Vernon plantation, which contained 5 farms. The founding father was also something of a real estate mogul, owning lands from Virginia to New York. Next, Fidel Castro. Total wealth $1.1 billion, means 7,900 crore Indian rupees. Cuba's longtime leader, who was Prime Minister of the Caribbean country from 1959 to 1976 and President from 1976 to 2008, may have espoused Marxist-Leninist values based on fair distribution of wealth, but that didn't stop him apparently acquiring an immense personal fortune. In 2006, his net worth was estimated by Forbes at $900 million. Next, Bashar al-Assad. Total wealth $1.5 billion, means 12,000 crore Indian rupees. Syria's brutal leader, who has been president of the war-ravaged country since 2000, has been accused of hoarding up to the enormous wealth of $1.5 billion stolen from the state coffers. Next, Saddam Hussein. Total wealth $2.8 billion, means 18,000 crore Indian rupees. Saddam Hussein amassed a colossal fortune as president of Iraq from 1979 to his ousting in 2003. Helping himself freely to steal from the Iraqi people's money, the notorious dictator had worth $2 billion in 2003 according to Forbes, which translates in $2.8 billion in 2019. Assets he owned includes 89 palaces, numerous luxury cars, and large stake in media companies such as France's Lagardère SCA. Next, Kim Jong-il. Net worth $4.3 billion, means 30,000 crore Indian rupees. Ex-North Korea's dictator Kim Jong-il stole an estimate $4.3 billion while many of his citizens were starving to death. The spot most of his funds was deposited in many Swiss bank accounts. Next, Donald Trump. Net worth $4.5 billion, means 34,000 crore Indian rupees. America's richest president is none other than Donald Trump. The real estate tycoon and media personality was of course rolling in money when he won the presidency in November 2016. According to Forbes, Trump's net worth peaked at $4.5 billion in 2016 but has since declined to $3.1 billion in currently. Next, Kim Jong-un. Net worth $5 billion, means 36,000 crore Indian rupees. North Korea's current head honcho Kim Jong-un rivals his father in barbarity and beats him when it comes to net worth. The supreme leader of Hermit Kingdom, who reportedly enjoys the finer things in life from yachts and luxury cars to caviar and vintage wines, is said to have fortune of $5 billion. Next, Adolf Hitler. Net worth $6.5 billion, means 46,000 crore Indian rupees. The most rival despot of them all, Adolf Hitler swindled Germany out of billions. He also made millions from the sale of his book Mein Kampf. According to a 2014 documentary, Hitler had a net worth of 1.5 billion riches mark, which is $6.5 billion in today's money. Next, Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, King of Saudi Arabia and custodian of Holy Mass. King Salman's total wealth is $17 billion, means 1.21 lakh crore Indian rupees, while his whole family owns $1.4 trillion combinedly, which makes them one of the wealthiest family in the world. Next, Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, UAE president and ruler of Abu Dhabi. His total wealth is $23 billion, means 1.65 lakh crore Indian rupees. His source of income is oil, real estate and inheritance. Next, Sultan Hassan al Bolkiah. He is the Sultan of Brunei and its Prime Minister. He has ruled over this small state in Southeast Asia since 1967. Net worth of $30 billion, means 2.15 lakh crore Indian rupees. Being one of the wealthiest men in the world is the little easier when you are Sultan, since you can blur the lines between public and personal funds. He has the world's largest private residence, which has 1800 rooms, enjoys fine cigars, and flies his own 747-400 airplanes. He has the legit car collection featuring rides produced by Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce, Bugatti, exclusive made for him. Next, Mahavajira Longkorn. He is the Crown Prince of Thailand since 2016. His total wealth is $35 billion, means 2.5 lakh crore Indian rupees. Most of the wealth comes from his property holdings. Next, Mahathir Mohamad, the world's oldest sitting prime minister at 94 years. Malaysia's Mahathir Mohamad had a long stint in the power from 1981 to 2003 and assumed office again recently. The elderly leader is said to have around $45 billion, means 3.26 lakh crore Indian rupees, stress away, and is thought to have interest in 50 banks around the world. Next, Ferdinand Marcos, cruel and corrupt president of Philippines from 1972 to 1986. His total wealth was $53 billion, around 3.8 lakh crore Indian rupees. Together, his wife Imelda, who is widely known for her collection of over thousands of dresses, luxury cars, jets, yachts, sports, properties, etc. This despot couple embezzled hundreds of millions from the poor citizens. Next, Suharto. Suharto was the president of Indonesia for 31 years until his resignation in 1998. The military despot, who in 2004 was named the most corrupt world leader of the previous 20 years by Transparency International, plundered up to $35 billion. That's the equivalent of $55 billion, around 3.9 lakh crore Indian rupees in current price. There is little typing mistake, sorry for that. Next, Ali Abdullah Saleh. The president of Yemen from 1990 to 2012 was as corrupt as they come. Saleh has been accused of stealing incredible sums of money from the Yemeni people before his ousting following the Arab Spring series of protests. In fact, a report presented to the United Nations Security Council in 2015 pegged his net worth of up to $64 billion, around 4.87 lakh crore Indian rupees. Next, Hosni Mubarak, another despot leader who was overthrown following the Arab Spring protests. Egypt's Hosni Mubarak was removed from power in 2011 after serving 30 years as president of the country. That same year, ABC News and Guardian alleged the politician had stolen $79 billion, around 5.64 lakh crore from the Egyptian people. Next, Vladimir Putin. The dubious accolade of second richest world leader of all the time goes to the Russian President Vladimir Putin. The Russian president's official salary from 2011 to 2016 totaled $673K, but he was reportedly worth up to $200 billion, means 14.8 lakh crore Indian rupees. His mostly money is allegedly tied up in numerous bank accounts and investments in the West. Next, and on the top, is Muammar Gaddafi. Richest world leader of all the time is the Libyan dictator Muammar Gaddafi. In 2011, officials estimated that the revolutionary chairman, who was in power from 1977 to 2011, stashed away $225 billion, means 16.2 lakh crore Indian rupees, in secret bank accounts, shady investments, and suspect real estate deals. Most of the wealth came from country's massive oil revenues. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.